Hi there, in this quick video we'll be taking a look at this CRIVIT Premium massage gun. So I decided I kind of need one of these due to some back pains which kind of subsided if I would literally slowly hit my back with my hand. So I decided, maybe something that can do this without me trying to bump my own back would help it. So yeah, it was most likely just muscle tension or something wasn't just right in there. So anyway, I didn't want to buy a random no-name one because yes, most of these things are no-names from China. They look almost the same, but reviews are all over the place. Some are, wow, it's the best thing since sliced bread. Others are, it broke in 2 uses. So yeah, CRIVIT, at least we have a proper warranty for it. It was about 30 euros, so it was cheaper than most Chinese variants. There are other even cheaper Chinese variants, but those have really bad reviews. So this for price was good, and I trust the brand much more. So yeah, let's see any info about it, what it can do or anything like that. Activation, relaxation and regeneration. 5 different attachments, different muscle groups. Ball head, small muscle areas and muscle groups. Okay, upper arm, nope. Conical deep muscle tissue. Sole of foot, nope. U-shaped. Deep-seated tissue. Lower back, excluding the spine. Okay. For Achilles. Okay, massage oil not included. Yep. Oh, I jumped. Okay, Achilles tendon. So flat head, larger areas all over the body, thighs. Air cushioned head, relaxing sensitive muscle areas, and the silicone cover can be used with massage oil because it's silicone. It's quite okay. Not much can damage silicone. Up to 4 hours of runtime, 10 speed settings, up to 3000 RPM. Brushless motor, okay, that's nice to have. Integrated automatic shut off after how much? 15 minutes, okay. So it's a 11 volt, 2500 milliamp hour battery, USB-A to USB-C cable, 1 meter. So yeah, it charges with USB-C. Storage carry case, yeah, no memory effect, minimal self-discharge, consistent high performance, eco-friendly, blah 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 blah. Cordless use only, so it doesn't work plugged into the socket. Okay, so for me, excluding spine, yeah, most likely this is what I will actually use, but obviously not directly on my spine. Okay, sensitive muscle areas. This seems to be good. If anybody has any need for the IAN number, right here it is, and a bit of other info. Let's open this thingy and see what we get. Okay, I wasn't expecting this, I can tell you. No, nothing else in the box. This is a nice carry pouch, or case actually, because it's not just a pouch. Rubberized, the CRIVIT logo down there. This is rubber, not plastic. Again, I wasn't expecting this to be so good, the pouch for it. Okay, this has a bit of give in it, which is nice, so it's not just a hard ball. The sides are harder, but the top has a bit of give. Probably they are thinking some people will abuse this. This also has some give in it. This also, okay. This is hard, and I'm expecting these things are also hard. yeah, nice, nice. Cable, so type C. Manual, I will give you a look at the manual in a moment. Okay. Some marks in there, but I don't think that matters. CMGB A1, that's the exact model. Charger 2 amp max it will draw from it. And this seems to be on, plus minus. Do I hold it? Okay. Whoa, it has so many speeds. So basically it has 10 speeds. Nice. And in here, how do we change those patterns? Oh, if we long press it, it will go to the speeds. Ah, this is battery level. Okay, okay. Doesn't it have any vibration patterns? Might actually not have, just on and off. Here is cooling for the motor as far as I can see. Yes, it's that. No, it's actually not rubberized. It's just the paint on it. Looks like the old rubberized paint that was becoming sticky back in the day, but it's not that, so I like it in that case. But yeah, it is a fingerprint magnet. I don't have oily hands, just sweaty hands at the moment, as they do dry up and nothing remains there, more or less. But yeah, it is a fingerprint magnet for sure. Doesn't really matter, but I don't think it has more than one pattern. So it only does one thing. It vibrates and you can vary the harshness of the vibrations. Feel free to pause at any time and read whatever you need from this manual. I will also do a quick read myself, but I'm not going to go into details with it. Again, they are explaining you how to use it. Try to take a good look at that, because you can actually damage. Here are the RPM. They mean the RPM. If you look deep in there, you will see something. Let me try and give you a bit of light. You see that? That does not have anything to do with your massage. This thing, let's get this one in there, will not rotate. As far as I know, will only push in and out. Let me power it on. You see this? So it's only pushing in and out. Ooh. That's actually quite strong. That's nice. Yeah, you can massage with this thing for sure. If you want to push more than this, I think you have a bit of a problem, honestly. So it's not rotating, but they mean rotations, because rotations are actually... Doesn't this pull out yet? Yeah, it pulls. Rotations are transformed into translation. So maybe they should have used something else like beats per minute, not rotation. But anyway, they did it like this. So not that bad. And disposal, and that's about it. So what can I say? We'll be using this thing and see how it works. But from what I see, I think it does exactly what I need. Probably I will press really lightly at the lowest power, because again, just tapping on my back was enough to start to relieve the pain. So it was clearly not something really bad in there, but yeah, anyway. A bit more about its operation. If you press it, it does nothing. 1, 2 seconds, power it on. Press on it on the middle button. It's standby mode, but it's not completely off. Power it again. If you want to completely shut it off, 2 seconds and the ring is off. When it doesn't have enough battery, it shows you also here, but this will also become red. And this also indicates when it's charging or when it's full. Little bit of an update. I didn't have back pains recently, lower back actually pains, so I didn't use it on that, but I did develop some shoulder pains, and basically they were going down the hands. This thing is better than the cream, the gel, the whatever I was using from the doctor. That almost did nothing. This thing, I started using it. I realized, hey, cream not working. Why aren't I using this? I did. First day, instant effect, not cured, not, so it was not fully okay, but much better than any gel. Second day, even better, and I'm going to continue using this, and I'm not using the gel and the cream at all, only this thing. So it's having a much bigger effect than I honestly ever expected. So yeah, and I'm using it on top of clothes. As you can see, the fluff, this is basically fibers from the shirt that I have on me while I used this. You can simply blow it off, wash it, whatever you want. But yeah, the only thing that I wish, maybe it wouldn't have such a long throw on it. It's really pounding you, and I'm not using it. The highest I went was about half. If you go above that, I don't know, only if you have really big muscles that you need to work out with this thing, or a thick layer of I don't know, grease, not grease. If you are a bit on the fat side, I think that's a way to say it. Maybe higher speeds would help, but no, even on lower speeds this is doing it. But I wish it had a shorter travel, but then again, maybe it wouldn't be as effective with a shorter travel, so I don't know. And yes, from here you are not adjusting the travel, you are only adjusting how quick it goes in and out, so how many cycles it does, not the distance. The distance is fixed in this, maybe in all of them, but I have only this to tell you about. And a few weeks later, I can safely say that this thing is great. It has solved my pain problem. Medicine couldn't do it, it seems, but this could. That doesn't mean it will also solve yours, but for me this worked better than anything that the doctors prescribed. And also I told a doctor that I'm using this and seems to be doing good. He said to continue to use it, so he didn't warn against it or say it doesn't do anything. So I don't know, but yeah, take that with a grain of salt. But anyway, for me at least, at the price that this is at Lidl from time to time, maybe also at Kaufland, it does exactly what it needs to do. And for me this one is the best, because it also cushions just a tiny bit, so the blows are not that strong. And yeah, that's about it for this video, so hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And yeah, please subscribe, that helps a lot. Bye.